everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about some driving turning rules. Now, this will be a driving lesson for turning right and left, and I'll specifically be going over some rules that you should follow and use when you are turning right or left while driving. Let's get right into the video. There are 7 specific rules. Rule number 1 for turning right or left, and I have my notes down here, that's why I'm glancing down. Rule number 1 is know how much to turn the wheel. Now, for some turns, you're going to have to turn it, half a turn. Others, it's going to have to be 3/4. Some turns, it's going to be somewhere in the middle. And the truth of the matter is that every turn is different. And even if you take that same turn 100 times, you're probably going to have to turn the wheel a different amount each and every single time. The way that you know how much to turn the wheel is by practicing. So literally, like that example was a good example because you should go and make 100 right turns and 100 left turns. And you're going to be getting better and better and knowing when to stop turning the wheel and how much to turn the wheel. Rule number 2 is turn the wheel at the right speed. Now, as a rule of thumb, the faster that you're going, the faster that you have to turn the wheel. So if I was going at a slow speed and taking sort of like a loose turn at a slow speed, I would have to turn the wheel, I could turn the wheel like that, nice and slowly. If I was turning at a fast speed and the turn was a bit tighter, I'd have to turn the wheel much faster. Now, you're going to have to know what speed to turn the wheel at and turn it at that speed. Once again, practice will make perfect. Practice will allow you to know this factor. Rule number 3 is to do all of your safety checks, okay? Now, before you turn right or left, you're going to have to check your rear view mirror. You're also going to have to check your side mirror, depending on which way you're turning, and your side blind spot, depending on which way you're turning. Now, your rear view mirror always gets checked before a turn. If I'm turning right, I'm going to check my right side mirror. If it was left, I'm going to check my left side mirror. And then if I was turning right, I check my right blind spot. If it was left, my left blind spot. So rear view mirror, side blind spot. Always do your safety checks, okay? And obviously scan the intersection and so forth. Rule number 4 is always use your turn signal. I cannot emphasize that enough, okay? Signaling is so important, and yet every single day I see probably hundreds of drivers switch lanes and turn and do all sorts of stuff, pull over without signaling, okay? Just use your turn signal. Develop a habit and use that habit. It will make you a safer driver, and you are less likely to get a ticket for something like that. So it's more practical. It's going to save you some cash, baby. All right, it's going to save you some money instead of spending it on a ticket, because a lot of people will get driving tickets for not signaling, okay? Very, very simple. Rule number 5 is follow the right-of-way rules. When you're turning right or left, you have to know who has the right-of-way and follow those rules, okay? If someone else has the right-of-way, don't turn. Give them the right-of-way. If you have the right-of-way, proceed with caution. And I say that because a lot of people think, oh, I have the right of way, I'm just going to turn. Accident. Accidents happen like that, right? So with that being said, know who has the right of way and follow it. And if you have the right of way, proceed with caution. It doesn't mean go. It means make sure it's safe to proceed, okay? Rule number 6 is practice like crazy. You can't get better at driving or specifically turning if you don't practice. It's like playing soccer. You want to be a better soccer player? Practice. You want to be a better NHL player, a better hockey player? Practice. You want to make it to the NHL? Practice, right? If you want to be better at turning right and left, practice like crazy. It is one of the most effective ways to become better. Last but not least is rule number 7, which is develop smooth and safe turning habits. And that is like all of them encompassed together. You want to make sure that you are doing 2 things when you are turning. You want to make sure that you are smooth. I'm sorry, I have an itch on my nose here. You want to make sure that you are smooth and safe. Now, it's important to be a smooth turner because you don't want your passengers like, whoa, it's like I just cracked my neck pretty severely there, but actually, it feels good now. Anyways, you don't want your passengers, whoa, that feels great. You don't want your passengers to be saying like, whoa, it's a roller coaster, whoa, right? You want it to be smooth, but at the same time, you don't want to be as smooth. I gotta crack it on the other side now. I'm like uneven. You don't want it to be super smooth, but then not safe. So you got to be safe as well. No, I'll do it off video, off camera. And that's basically it. Those are some driving turning rules, and they're very important to follow when you're gonna make right or left hand turns. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.